Hello Freunde. Here is Frau G, and I have a real quick tip for you in getting better at memorizing the numbers 1 through 12 in German. So here we have a website called Digital Dialects that we like to use in class, and this is what it will look like when you click on that URL. And the topic that we're going to spend some time with is over here located on the left. It says numbers 1 through 12, and you're going to click on that. And it'll load for you, and then this is what it will look like. And what we would like for you to do is to, before doing anything, look over the numbers 1 through 12, 1 bis 12, and then click here
1, 1,
to hear it spoken for you. And after you hear it, I want you to say it after the computer. So
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8, 9, 10.
and so on and so forth, right? The whole way through. After you have done that a couple times where you really feel confident that you know the numbers 1 through 12, you can even try and say them to yourself with your eyes closed. You're then going to come over here and pick a playing speed. You can either do the slow speed, intermediate speed, or fast speed. I'm going to go ahead and do slow for the purpose of this tutorial. When you click on it, it will take a moment to load. And it's going to be a bit of a game. So here we are. And so it's going to be some Mathematik. So it says 1 plus 3. So was ist 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3 ist 4. Okay, und das nächste 2 plus 6. Was ist 2 plus 6? Es ist 8. 7 plus 5. Was ist 7 plus 5? Es ist 12. All right, and so on and so forth until you get to the end. And I hope this tutorial was helpful. Have fun, and tschüss, bis später. Auf Wiedersehen.